everyone. Today I'd like to talk to you about a wonderful herb that has been cherished for centuries for its numerous benefits. Sage, also known as Salvia officinalis. Sage is not only a versatile culinary herb, but also a powerful ally for your health. It has been traditionally used for digestive health, helping to alleviate issues such as bloating and indigestion. Additionally, sage is beneficial for respiratory problems, providing relief from conditions like sore throats and coughs. Its rich content of antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds makes it a valuable addition to any health regimen. To ensure your sage plant thrives, it requires moderate watering, typically once a week. This plant flourishes best in warm, sunny climates, so planting it in spring will give it the best start. Sage loves sunlight, needing about 6 to 8 hours of full sun daily to grow optimally. The soil should be well drained, sandy, or loamy, with a pH between 6.0 and 7.0, provide the perfect growing conditions. Throughout the growing season, you can harvest its leaves as needed, ensuring you have fresh sage on hand for your culinary and medicinal uses. Speaking of medicinal uses, sage is known for its ability to enhance memory and cognitive function. It can also help reduce symptoms of menopause, such as hot flashes, and has antimicrobial properties that make it effective against certain bacteria and viruses. Savor the sage wisdom, nature's remedy in every leaf. Well, this is SMF, a botanist dedicated to educating about the medicinal benefits of plants. Please subscribe to Botanics by SMF and press the bell icon to stay updated. Let's join the leafy adventure together.